Good day everyone. Welcome back to the Azure Fabric Series. In this video, we are going to talk about something really important, Microsoft Fabric OneLake. If you have ever used OneDrive, imagine the same concept, but for all your organization's data. OneLake is the heart of Microsoft Fabric and it's built to store and manage all your analytics data in one place. Whether you are working in Data Factory, Spark, SQL, or even Power BI, OneLake makes it super easy to share, access, and analyze data without copying or moving it around. So, if you want a clear and simple understanding of how OneLake works and why it's such a game changer, you are in the right place. Before we begin, please take a moment to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss future videos in this series. Let's jump in. What is OneLake? Think of OneLake like OneDrive, but instead of storing documents and photos, it stores all the analytics data for your entire organization. It's one single place for all your data. No need to create separate lakes for every team. Comes automatically with Microsoft Fabric, no extra setup. OneLake is for the whole organization. Before OneLake, teams used to create their own data lakes. It was hard to collaborate and managing multiple lakes was messy. Now with the OneLake, every Microsoft Fabric tenant gets one and only one lake. You don't need to configure anything. It's already there. You get a clean and governed place to store your organization's data. OneLake ensures unified governance across your company with different teams managing their own data through workspaces. Now let's discuss about workspaces in OneLake. In OneLake, you have stored data in workspaces. These workspaces are like folders in OneDrive. They help different teams work independently but inside the same system. For example, if you see here, we have workspace for POS sales and workspace for online sales, workspace for customer, ads and expenses and so on. Each workspace can contain lakehouses, warehouses, and other data items. These are tailored experiences depending on whether you are a Spark developer or a SQL user. OneLake is open by design. It is built on Azure Data Lake Storage Gen 2, so it supports structured and unstructured data. All your data from SQL warehouses to Spark lakehouses is stored in the Delta Parquet format. That means the TSQL users, Apache Spark developers, Databricks users, HD Insight users all can work on the same data without making copies or converting formats. You can even access OneLake using existing ADLS Gen 2 tools and APIs, just like you do with other Azure storage accounts. Let's discuss about OneLake File Explorer for Windows. OneLake also has a Windows File Explorer, just like OneDrive. You can browse all your data, upload and download files, work with data even if you're not technical. This makes it super easy for business users to interact with the data lake. We will have a future video on OneLake File Explorer once we configure a lakehouse and then have some files in the OneLake. Lakehouse is kind of a one copy of data and there will be no duplication at all. Yeah. So major benefit of OneLake is that you don't need to copy data anymore. Everything sits in one place and different engines can use it without needing multiple copies. This helps reduce data silos and keeps everything up to date. Shortcuts are a powerful feature here. Shortcuts let you connect to data across different workspaces, ADLS Gen 2, Amazon S3, Dataverse without moving any data. They make the data look like it's local, but it's actually being accessed remotely. We can use one copy with multiple engines. Let's say you have one copy of data in Delta Parquet format. Different teams can use different engines to access the same data. SQL engineers use TSQL. Data scientists use Spark. Analysts use Power BI with Direct Lake mode. Real-time team use KQL. Modeling teams use analysis services. So no more exporting, copying, or converting. Everyone works on the same data in their preferred tools. It is like bringing it all together with OneLake. Microsoft Fabric brings one place to store all your analytics data, one copy of data for multiple tools, unified governance across teams, flexibility with open formats, better collaboration between technical and non-technical users. Thanks for watching this video on OneLake, the heart of Microsoft Fabric. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, share, comment with your thoughts or questions, and most importantly, subscribe for more videos in the Azure Fabric series. Jai Hind.